In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a passenger side mirror on your BMW 328i. This will be located on the passenger side. Let's get started. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to pop off the decorative trim. Using a plastic trim tool, pop off the cover. Using a T20 Bit, remove all 4 screws from the door. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to get behind the door card and pop all of the clips around the door. With all of the clips disengaged, we can pull the door panel off. There's 5 clips on the top. We're going to pull slightly forward, disengaging these clips, and then lifting the door panel up and over the lock. Remove the door handle cable, pull up towards the door, and pull it out of place. Remove the connector for the speaker. There's a push button on bottom, push on that. Pull straight back. We're going to flip the door card up. Using a flat blade screwdriver or a pick, we're going to remove the connector for the window switch. We're going to get in between the connector, pull slightly up on this plastic and remove the connector. We're going to pop this light out of the door card, push on this tab here, and push out. Using a flat blade screwdriver or a pick, get in between the plastic and the connector and pop the connector out for the door card light. With all of the connections undone, remove the door card. We're going to peel back the trim for the mirror. We don't have to fully remove this, just get it far enough that you can access the bolts. There's going to be 2 tabs on our mirror connector, one here and one here. We're going to pinch the 2, pull straight back, and remove our connector. Using a T30 Bit, remove the 3 screws for the mirror. On the last screw, be sure to have a hand on the mirror so it does not fall. Remove the mirror. Install the mirror into the door. Install the screws into the back of the mirror. Snug the bolts down. Install the connector for the mirror. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. We're going to go down and install the trim. Be sure it's locking in on the front. It'll pop over a lip. If you had a foam piece fall out, be sure you reinstall this. We're looking at the bottom of the door card where our light goes in. We're going to grab our harness, pull it through the door, install the connector for the light, push until you hear a click, give it a little pull, make sure it's locked in. Install the light into the door, grab the connector for the window switch, install the connector into the window switch, give it a pull, make sure it's locked in. Install the connector for the speaker. Grab the door cable. Test the function of the door. Pull the door lever. Be sure you see the actuation on this side. Pull the door lock up. Install the door on top of that lock. Get everything in place, lined up. Get all the top door clips installed. Then we're going to go around the door card, putting in all of the plastic clips. You'll hear them snap into place. You can give the door a little tug, and as long as it's not floating off, you know that they're all installed. Install the 4 screws for the door card. Install the handle trim piece. Start at the top, work your way down. Install the decorative trim piece. Start in the front corner. Get it lined up. Push all the clips into place. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.